Good day, my people, and Happy New Year to you all. Welcome to FarmCom. I would like to show you the progress of my farm, though there has been up and down during the past year. So as you can see, we still keep the spirit up. Just about to open them for the morning activities. I have the chicks that was given back to last year, and they are 14 in number. As you can see, they are growing very fast. So very friendly. So usually feed them first before I let go the adult ones, so that they can have enough time to feed first. Even while the food is still inside the plate, they are still all over me thinking I have some in reserve. You see this on my knee? They are adorable. These are the adult ones, and these are the winning chicks. These ones are still inside the cage. I will have to leave them for a few more weeks before I let them out to graze, to free range like the other. They are doing fine also in the cage. They are 4 in numbers. Once I pour their food inside the food container, that is where the food for the OD. So I'm trying to let the adult out, but there is one inside the cage there that I don't want her out yet, because I need to transfer her. So that is why I didn't open the cage very wide. So as you can see them feeding on the purpose. And even the feeding is not something you need to break bank about. I'm giving them cassava peel and also pawpaw. I have them on my backyard. So instead of all these things go to waste, then I usually use it to feed the chicken. So I don't spend much on my pocket to buy them food and others. So just look out for the kitchen waste, and also since they are all locals, I just have a few noila and a cockerel there. So and you don't even have to have that big space to start. You can start with as little space you have at your backyard to do this. And you all see the needs are also to start in 2024. You see this one pattern, and they are all over. Anyway, they are fun to be around. Always all over me. See the way they are feeding on the pawpaw. And after they take all these things, they are still going to scratch the ground. They will not go until I left that place. They will always come around. But they are cool. This is a new spot I'm trying to build a new cook house. So hopefully I will do this on or before April this year, but still have some things I need to put in place. So I'm still managing this cage for now. I have this one brooding and also another one laying. So the number keeps increasing as I have another hen with chicks inside. I don't think I can capture that one here now, but I'm just to show you the activities at my backyard and how you can also utilize that little space you have. So it's just the fun things to keep the help. As you can see them, so far I'm still at the back with them. They will always be all over me. They never get enough food, but they are cool. I'm also looking to keep the numbers increasing. So most time I wean the chicks at 3 to 4 weeks, let their mother out. So these are 14 in number from 2 hens. They hatch about the same time, just about 5 to 1 week interval. So you can even at least differentiates between the first hatch and the second batch. As you can see how they are enjoying the pawpaw, also the cassava peel. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.